Hi there, my name teacher Ilona Smith. Welcome to my channel. Grade 10s, this is a new one for you, business studies. So in this video today, we're going to look through what you can expect for term 1, term 2, term 3, and term 4. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so let's deal with term 1. So in term 1, I'm going to pop it up here. We have the microenvironment, which you're doing during week 1 and week 2. Look at the dates. You should be busy with that already. Then you're moving on to business functions during week 3 and 4. Then you're going to be doing the concept of quality, week 5 and 6. Then you'll be doing the market environment, week 7. The macro environment, week 8, and then the interrelationship between the three environments being micro, macro, market in week 9. And then coming March, it could start a bit in February as well. I've seen towards the end of Feb. You will then be doing your SBA, which is a closed book assignment, and you'll be doing your first business studies test. I will be doing a video on how to write an essay, what the test looks like, and how to go about answering the questions with the SBA. Let's move on to term 2. So term 2 has business sectors during week 1 and 2. Then we have contemporary socio-economic issues, week 3 and 4. Then week 5 we have social responsibility. Week 6 and 7 you will have your forms of ownership. Those are all the different types of forms of ownership that you get. So there's a private company, a public company, a sole trader, a partnership, and so on. Then you'll be moving into the mid-year exam and you will have paper 1 and paper 2. I'll be doing a video on that as well. You can, in the meantime, go check out my video that I posted last year for the June exams to see what chapters are included in paper 1 and what chapters in paper 2. So paper 1 will be 100 marks and paper 2 also 100 marks. And then you will have an SBA task once again. Moving on to term 3. So term 3, you have creative thinking and problem solving, week 1 and 2. You have business opportunities and related factors, week 3 and 4. Then you have presentation of business information, week 5 and 6. And then a business plan, week 7 and 8. And then once again, you will have a test and an SBA. Now this test is a little bit different to the other two terms. Because term 1, you only write what term 1's work. Term 2 will be term 1 and term 2. Whereas term 3 is only term 3's work. So only these 4 chapters will be assessed in the test. And there will only be one test, not a paper 1 and a paper 2 like term 2. Then we move into the final term, term 4. In term 4, you have relationship and team performance, and then you'll be doing your final exam. Now, in term 4, you're not going to have an SBA. You are only going to have your paper 1 and your paper 2. Now, this is going to be the entire work for the entire year. So it is then again split into the chapters. I did this video once again last year in November, so make sure that you go check that one out as well if you want to prepare beforehand. I'll be doing an updated video closer to the time. So grade 10s, I want to wish you all the very best of luck. I have uploaded a lot of content for grade 10s, but please be on the lookout for ones that say updated and all the videos that will be posted this year in 2026. Please note that the notes do tend to change year by year, or even if you're going 3-4 years. So please do watch out for those changes. And my hopes, I don't want to make empty promises, is to have all the updated videos for grade 10, as some of them were uploaded in 2024 or 2025, and that's a little old now. So I do want to update all those videos, but if you want to in the meantime, you can go check them out. And I have on my playlist split them out into paper 1 and paper 2, which should make it a bit easier as well. If there's anything you need help and assistance with, please do let me know. I do also offer private tutor lessons for 150 Rand, and I'll put the link below for the booking and payment. Once I've received payment, we can then schedule a date and a time. I usually am available after school hours and then for a few hours on Saturdays as well. So I'm looking forward to helping you all. and I will be launching group classes, so roughly 10 per class on either a Tuesday or a Thursday between 7 and 8, where we can all come together, go through past papers, ask questions, and I will keep that rate at 50 Rand. So I want to check interest. Please, if you're interested, please send me either an email or just comment down below. I'd love to hear you guys, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. What chapters are you looking forward to the most? What chapters are you a little bit scared about? And just wishing you all the very, very, very best of luck on this business studies journey. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you join on this journey. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.